How to fix Roblox new app available. I'm gonna show you a few different fixes. For the first one, all you need to do is go into the App Store and then you will use the search bar to search for Roblox like so, and you want to click on Roblox here even if it says open. Right here you might see an update button, so if you see an update button, just click on it and that is going to update Roblox and fix this issue. If it doesn't work still, the second thing that I suggest doing is restarting your phone. So you will just click on the power button in the top right, restart your phone and see if that fixes it. If it doesn't, the last thing that I suggest doing is going into your settings and searching for iPhone storage, written like this. You will click on iPhone storage and right here we will just sort this by size and you want to find Roblox. So I'm just going to search for Roblox, click on Roblox. You want to offload the application, and once you offload the app you will click on reinstall. So it might take a little bit of time. Here I'm just going to click on reinstall. It's not going to log you out of your account or anything like that, so you don't have to worry, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.